with your missing ass teeth, you son of a bitch. You look ridiculous. What are you doing?
Nothing. Go.
Previously, currently on Nick's asshole.
Hello and welcome to episode 42. Just a quick little message from us before we get into the show. This isn't a recorded show, this is an outtakes show of all our favourite bits from season 2, or the bits that didn't quite make it. So, hope you have a good time, hope we've seen you on tour. We'll see you next week for the start of season 3. What's going to happen?
Exciting.
What's going to happen?
Exciting.
Tune in, find out. Join our outtakes. Bye!
Bye.
Can I lick your face?
My favourite throw. That's a low clap this week. That was a high pansy clap. It's even higher. No? Okay. The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. Cut.
Cheeky fucking pricks. You cheeky pair of fucking pricks.
Do you not have a fake turd?
Not on
I
me,
don't
no.
own one, no, funny enough.
Funnily enough, we have a black dildo.
No, it got stolen from me.
What?
Someone stole it when I was on tour. Get a lighter. Someone get a lighter. No. Pass me that lighter.
Go on, do it.
Come on, quick.
Oh my word.
Oh, wait, hold it. Let me try and do it in slow motion as well. You got to hold it, Dave. Don't do it.
Look at him. Oh dear. Is this...
Quick.
Can it do that through there?
Go.
No, it's not lit.
Did it not work?
It made a little ripple.
Oh. Wasn't big enough.
Nah.
She said.
29 years old.
Always my problem.
29 years old.
My life into pizzas. This is my plastic fork.
Need to.
Are you a portrait filmer?
Wait, I was in a rush.
You're a portrait.
You're a portrait filmer. You're going to be the
God,
death
such
of
a
everything.
What are you, the photography police?
You fucking am.
I'm trying to film a man light his own fire, and you're asking me about how
You
I'm
gotta fucking
filming.
do it properly. What's all this?
This is it. You can put this in.
You have to put up with this. Yeah, this is.
Portrait filming is the...
This.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
I ain't come here for this.
So
Danny,
angry.
you know.
Choose your
Portrait
words.
filmers.
Choose your words.
Portrait filming.
Last time I liked someone's film someone's fart.
Just two.
Just 2 vaginas.
I think 2 vaginas are enough.
Oh, it's you like...
Please tell me you were filming that.
It was, yeah.
Let's go in the outtakes at the end.
Hold down.
Thank you.
Do you not agree?
He's trying to Matt Harris me. He's trying to out Matt Harris me. You can never out Matt Harris me, okay? Do it again. No, you gotta slam it in.
Yeah.
So, hey, how you doing?
How you doing? Oh, that's so bad.
Do you reckon you could out Matt Harris him?
Look how red your thumb is.
Ready?
Who, him? Me?
What, who am I going for?
You can out Matt Harris.
Alright, I'll go
Alright.
next.
Yeah, we go.
Go.
Hey, Nick,
how's it
nice to
going?
meet you.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
It's good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to make you acquaintance.
Yeah, fucking wonderful.
What are you doing? Are you recording me?
Yeah,
You're recording me like a dick. That's what you're doing.
you're a dick.
Whiskey bots, roll out.
Episode 40.
40 vaginas in red shoes.
He's still in.
How you doing?
Good.
Oh,
I'm good.
it's quite good.
I hurt him.
It doesn't, still doesn't match
Still
Matt
not.
Harris.
No, is that enough level, isn't it?
Cause tonight, baby. No? They didn't make it to Australia. Okay.
Well, this is going to be a fun show this week. I'm not even supposed to be in it. Stop putting me in the show. I'm in it every week. Every week.
I'm trying. Dave ruined it. Dave mentioned you and that was it. Right, next week. no Danny Gruff.
Yo, good job, mate.
No Danny Gruff.
I bet I'll be in it next week.
Enjoy him while you can.
I bet I'll be in it next week.
We'll see.
I bet I'll be in it next week.
So Danny, how'd you get here?
Have we started?
Yeah,
Do you not do the opening thing?
That is the fucking opening thing. Shut up, Dan.
Fuck off, Danny. Danny,
We'll leave right now. That's
how'd
the
you get
door.
it, Dan?
Drove in my car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Everything go right?
What car do you have?
Renault Clio.
Shut up.
How was the parking?
Not very successful. Scratched my car. Chuffed.
So where you park now?
There.
What, next to the sidewalk?
No.
It's called the pavement, mate. Which part of the car did you scratch?
No, it's the sidewalk.
The front bit, you know.
The pavement.
It's called the sidewalk.
Yeah. Which bit of it?
You know where your number plate is? It's like
You're
to
a
the
dick.
right of
The
that.
bonnet.
We need to start again. You're supposed to just go, you've changed.
But no, you got to talk about the bonnet first.
Okay, alright, okay, let's go from the top.
So you didn't pick that up, did you?
Bonnet, what am I supposed to say?
Fucking hood.
Hood. Okay, right. We didn't write.
Oh, I
Okay.
didn't.
Okay. From the top. Danny, how'd you get it, Dan?
Drove here.
I can't believe this hammer.
That was one said too bad, I think.
Yeah.
It's a bit nuts when I said.
You threw it in a very careful way.
I knew what I was doing.
It's going over there.
Yeah.
That one is aiming for the fucking sofa.
I can't believe I said if you don't come to London, I'm going to smash your face in. What a line! What a line!
Hey, little man.
Hey, do this. Say, previously on Lost. Good.
Oh, good.
We all on?
We're all on. Here's exactly as was earlier for continuity reasons.
The continuity so good.
This thing's look at that side.
How fat are we?
I think I eat a lot of bread now. On the go, I do.
What? How are you going to start?
Right. So I was in a bar.
Yeah.
Right?
I feel like
Hey.
I should have worked out more.
Fuck, I should have worn
We got an
black.
opening gag or we not got an opening gag? Grow a vag.
Who's that comedian? It's like, yeah, what? All these fucking straight men, fucking women, nice smooth women. I fuck blokes. Big blokes. Women? How gay's that? You keep your namby-pamby soft women. I fuck blokes. You've seen that guy?
No.
Some Australian fella.
I was going to say, was he Australian?
That's right. Not that good. I'm not fucking Matt Harris. Not fucking Matt Damon. We got ice. We have. Where's the bucket?
No, I couldn't be bothered.
Taking up a corner of the pub.
Yeah.
But
pub. It's not I think we're alright.
I think we're alright. And we have had to unplug the Street Fighter 2 game to get some. It's a shame. If you want to come to the Monarch, they do have Street Fighter 2, but I've stolen their power, so oops.
I was going so well.
Yeah.
So well, and then I shanked it into a bush.
Did that hurt?
It's golf.
Oh. Okay, sorry.
Outrageous.
Last 20
Anyway,
minutes.
welcome to episode 28 of Whisky and Things.
Welcome.
Yes. You fucking shit it up again.
What?
You're supposed to cut me off.
I was going to.
Yeah,
Oh, that's what I was looking over.
you didn't look like you knew what was going on.
That's the point.
Okay, let's try that again. Right, we can do that better anyway. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, like that kind of rap. Who knew?
It's going to be hard to manoeuvre with something in my hands.
Long, creamy finish.
Yep.
Yeah.
Long, creamy finish. Long, creamy finish. Long, creamy finish. Long, creepy. Long, creepy finish guy's dick. Long, creamy. Fuck, dude. Okay, here we go.
Right.
In your beard, though.
Biscuit everywhere.
I'd rather hoovered.
Cheers.
Good. Sorry, Nick.
Oh.
Christ, what have you done with that?
Jacked it up, man.
Oh God, this is where Dave sets himself on fire.
Oh, I've got no fart now.
Ah.
Thank
Thanks,
you,
guys.
Wild Turkey.
Thank you.
Thank
please
you.
Stay put for a second. I'll actually get a thumbnail.
Yeah, that's cool. This is the worst part.
Why?
Because he
All they do is hold still, right?
Forever.
takes forever doing this.
So Nick is all about the production of this, huh?
Oh yeah. You'll be amazed.
You just show
You'll
up.
be amazed what that will turn into.
Okay.
You will be amazed.
Yeah.